Hey guys, so this is day 2 of this crazy Adalo video challenge. So those guys who are new, I'll tell you what the challenge is. So I have to create one video per day on Adalo for the next 100 days. So that is the challenge. Okay, so I suggest you guys to subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet, because the next 100 days will be crazy. Okay, you'll learn a lot of things about Adalo. And if you want me to make video on some topic, just put that in the comment section below, and I'll try to cover that topic in one of my next videos. Okay, so yesterday a few people told me to make a video on notification. So today, day 2, I'll be covering notifications. Okay, so when you talk about notification, what I assume is you want to know how to trigger notifications in an application, okay, in a mobile application. So today's topic will be trigger notification. So let's jump right into the Adalo dashboard. So here I have created a basic app. Okay, so I use the chat template and I added a new screen called Home 2. So on this screen, this is the list of posts. So every post will be having text and image. Okay, and below there is some a like icon and the count of likes. So this is the basic template for post, and there is an action button. So when the user clicks on the action button, he can add a post. Okay, he can write the content and the post image. Okay, so this is the basic thing that I have done. So now in social media platforms, let's say, okay, so you you write a post and someone likes, so that notification, so when someone likes your post on Instagram or let's say LinkedIn, so you get a push notification from those apps, right? So similar thing we are going to try out here. So whenever someone will like this, will click on this like button, so it should be triggered, the notification should be triggered, and the user who wrote the post, he should get that notification. So we'll cover that right now. So let's start. So Adalo actually gives the trigger notification feature right from the dashboard. You don't need an external API, you don't need to use Zapier or anything else. Okay, so what you need to do is whenever anyone is liking the post, it should trigger a notification. So the trigger is someone likes the post. So we have to add an action to this like button, to this like icon. Okay, so let's select this like icon. So as you can see, there is already an action which is creating like. Okay, it is creating like. So in the database under like, there is name. So name will always be empty. So like is related to user who likes and the current post. Okay, whatever post it is, the like is for. Okay, so we are creating a like, name is empty, user who likes is the logged in user obviously, and the post is current post. So now the next step is to trigger the notification. Okay, so whenever someone likes the post, push notification should be on the post creator mobile. Okay, so for that we'll click on add another action and we'll hover on notifications, and here you can see an option called trigger notification. So just click on that. Okay, now this has 4 sections. First is recipient, title, body and screen. So recipient is the person who receives the notification. Okay, so in our case the recipient will be the post creator, someone who has created that post. So just click on that and you can select current post creator. Okay, title, so title can be something like new post like. Okay, and body can be, you can mention the name who liked the post. So we'll write the body as logged in user full name. Okay, because the logged in user has liked the post. So logged in user full name has liked your post. Okay, so this will be the body. Okay, and the last section is screen. So what does screen mean? When you receive a push notification on your mobile and you click on it, you automatically go inside the application, inside the mobile application, and on a particular screen. Okay, so depending upon what push notification it is, you go to the particular screen. So let's say if it is a normal push notification, okay, something that comes from the admin, you will go to the notification screen. If it is from the chat, okay, so let's say WhatsApp is sending you some push notification, so you will go to that particular conversation. Okay, so in that way you go to a particular screen. So you have to decide, okay, when the user when the post creator will click on that push notification, which screen should he be sent to. Okay, so in our case we don't have a notification screen, so I'll just select this screen, okay, the current screen. So let's click on done. Okay, so now the trigger notification part is done. We have triggered the notification. Now whenever a user will like another user's post, the post creator will get a push notification on his mobile phone. Okay, now to check this out, I'm not going to publish this app because first of all Play Store will not accept it. Secondly, creating the APK will take a lot of time. So what I'll do, I have launched one particular app on Google Play Store, and that was my first application from Adalo. So I'll just take you to that application, we'll create a push notification and we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so this was the app called Co-Founder Zone. This was my first app using Adalo. Okay, so on the left part of your screen you may be able to see the laptop version. Okay, so this is the admin part. So we'll add a notification from the admin part. I have added in this app, what I have done is only the admin can send push notifications to all the users. Okay, and on the right part of the screen you may be able to see the mobile screen video. Okay, so whenever the push notification will arrive, you can see that. Okay, so both sides I am recording together. So now when I select the notification, so now when I click on the bell icon, the notification icon, I'll be sent to the notification screen. So as you can see down here, I have a action button from where I can create the notification. So I'll just click on that. I'll write the title as test and I'll write the body as test notification. I'll put some random words, okay, so that it looks big, so that we can see how the push notification looks on mobile. Okay, so now I will click on create notification. So now the notification has been created and you can see the notification has also arrived on my mobile. Okay, so this is how you can trigger your notification. So now I think that's enough for this video. So I'll just tell you what we are going to do in the next video. I think what I'll do in day 3 is I will cover one more notification topic. Okay, so that will be basically to link to different screens. Okay, so for example, let me take the example of LinkedIn. Okay, so I'll just open my LinkedIn profile. So here you can see there is a icon notification. So when I click on that, now there are different notifications in this. Okay, and each notification is a different kind of notification. Okay, so if someone viewed my profile, they show that notification. Now when I click on this one, I will see whoever viewed my profile. Okay, so this is the screen that it sends to. If I click on any other notification, for example, someone commented on some post. Okay, so if I click on this notification, I will be sent to the current post, okay, where the comment was written. So this is how they have linked each notification to different screens. So how can you do this using Adalo? That is what we'll discuss in the next video.